Hi everyone, I'm Deb. I know in these times of social isolation, it's really hard for you guys. Well, I've been practicing this for like 20 years, so I'm here to offer you some tips. I know the supermarkets right now are probably devoid of bread. I've been sent pictures by people who do venture out. So I'm gonna show you how to make some bread at home. I have two ways of making bread, and the first is really quick. You could have it in about 2 hours. The second takes a little more time, maybe 2 days, but it tastes delicious. So if you just want the quick bread to eat with dinner tonight, here we go. In this bowl, I have 256 grams of all-purpose flour. I whisked in a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of instant yeast. Then I'm gonna mix in a cup of water. It's lukewarm water. I have 3/4 of a cup of cold water mixed with a 1/4 cup of boiling water, and that gives me the perfect temperature of water. And then I'm just gonna let it sit for an hour. I've taken a teaspoon of butter and just greased this 1-quart Pyrex bowl, and this is what we're gonna cook the bread in. The bread has risen for an hour. Now we're just gonna take 2 forks and turn the dough onto itself, place it into the greased bowl while the oven preheats to 425. In 20 minutes, it should rise to the top of the bowl, and then we'll put it into the oven to cook for half an hour. The bread's cooked for half an hour, 15 minutes at 425 and then 15 minutes at 350. Now we take it out. It comes out easily because we've greased the bowl, and we're going to let this sit here for 10 minutes to cool down. Okay, so we're going to cut this bread. Well, that came out delicious, but I guess you're just gonna have to take my word for it. Don't forget to check out my next video where we do the 2-day bread. And if you like this, like and subscribe, and click down below for the recipe. And that's it. Stay safe, everybody.